Let's make a Rum Punch Mimosa. To make this drink, we're going to start by adding some ingredients to our shaker. And we're going to start out with our white rum. I'm going to put in 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. Excuse me while I try to get these caps off. And I pour with my offhand. Oh, don't put that away yet. Grenadine, half an ounce of grenadine. And I do make my own grenadine. The recipe's here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Orange juice. 1 ounce of orange juice, fresh squeezed of course, which is 30 milliliters. And 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, fresh squeezed, if you've got the chest strength. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. I tried to put the cap on the jigger there. Never mind me. Pain meds are wonderful. I'm going to add some ice to this. Well, now I can set my jigger to the side. This is harder than it looks. And I'm going to try and give this a shake. Wish me luck. I don't have a lot of grip strength with this hand, which is why I'm shaking a little bit funny. Now, I'm going to let this sit for just a moment as I get my champagne flute. And I'm going to add some Prosecco into the bottom of this. And I did get this little tip from my friend BetterAvecBourbon, who put a little bit of carbonated beverage in the bottom of their highball style drinks in order to help with the mixing. So I'm going to have to open this Prosecco though, so I may call in my lovely assistant, my wife, to do this for me. I'll be right back with you. That went surprisingly well. Smells good. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of the Prosecco in the bottom of the glass. I should tip the glass a little bit. Pouring with my offhand again. I think that's enough. BetterAvecBourbon, let me know if that was enough. Now I'm going to add my rum mixture into that. Put that out of the way. And, oh no, I'm not going to put it out of the way. I'm going to top it off with some more champagne. Oh, see if that pours over. Yes, celebration time. Yeah, I hate wasting that, but hold on. Is there a way to get the bubbles out faster? But other than waiting, we're gonna wait. Put a little bit more down the side. I think that'll do. Now we'll get it out of the way, and to garnish, I'm gonna use a pineapple chunk and a cherry, and put that right across the glass like that. Festive, right? Oh my gosh. All right, and there you have it. A Rum Punch Mimosa. Drink with good spirits. Perfect for brunch.